guys, so today is going to be something a little bit different. Haven't ever done a video like this before. Today I thought it'd be fun to teach you kind of how to like pose like a slim, thick, curvy girl. Yeah, I'm going to show you how my posing tips anyways to make yourself look a bit more slimmer or curvier, or slim, thick. Yeah, and I thought I'd do this one just because like before I started like getting more into taking my outfit pictures and everything, I was like really low on confidence because I was seeing all these amazing girls with amazing figures they're just posing perfectly, and it used to put me down so much because whenever I would have a picture taken of me I would just look like a frumpy little mess. So it always used to put me off of taking pictures, whether it was for Instagram or even if it was just like with family or with friends or whatever when somebody else is taking it. I used to hate it so much because I always hated what I turned out like. So yeah, so that's one reason why I want to do this video for the other girls who are having low confidence issues and want to learn how to make themselves look better in pictures. Because even though all those other like really pretty amazing body girls, they're all still doing these poses as well. It's just like they kind of got their body to make it look better. But yeah, and then the other reason I'm doing this is just because a lot of people, a lot of girls are wanting to get into Instagram lately, so why not show you how to pose like an Instagram slim fit girl. Alright, so I'm going to stop babbling, but before I get onto this video, if you are new, hi, my name is Alyssa or Lizzie, whatever you want to call me. And if you like this video, it would be amazing if you could give it a like and maybe comment down below. Talk to each other, guys. We're a little mini family now. We're on like 5,000 something subscribers, which thank you so much for. But yeah, we're a little mini family now, so comment down below, talk to each other because we should be talking to each other. Yeah. Oh, also as well, just before I start, if my camera quality is weird and it's like lighting is all weird on this side, it's because I've cracked my camera. That's why I'm working with literally a cracked lens. It looks like this right now, so excuse that. But anyways, enough babbling, let's get on. Okay, so I've come down here because this is the only place where you're going to be able to like see at least most of my body. So just before we start, I just want to like show you what my body's actually like without any posing. So yeah, not really any curves, belly, haven't got a big bum or nothing like that, it's just normal. So yeah, this is my body like this, and then when I'm posing usually I'm like that. So yeah, so the first I suppose trick thing I'm going to show you what to do. It's what everybody knows, and it's basically just to pop your hip out. So you need to pick which hip is like the most flexible, I suppose, because yeah, whichever one curves out the most. That one's this one for me. So you just literally want to sit into your hip, and then it automatically creates like this big ass curve here. And then literally, as you've just seen, I've put this leg in front and crossed it over the tiniest bit. And then if you arch your back, it also makes a little bit of a curve on this side. So yeah, so that's how the girls get their little mini waist and big hip type things. And then the next thing, obviously you can do that, but if you're just there like this, it doesn't really look very feminine and nice. So what I do is like a little tip, you roll back your arms, and then all of a sudden you've lost like how much weight on your shoulders and your arms, and then it also straightens, like flattens out your belly a little bit as well and makes you stand up a bit better. So yeah, this is a really big tip. Look, just from that, roll it back, and that's what you look like from the side, by the way. So it's a little bit weird from the side, but from the front it looks good. And then the other little tip from like just standing up straight like that pose that I just showed you, point this front leg, whichever one's in front, point that one a little bit and it'll elongate your leg. And then if you want to make your hip pop out even more and make yourself look taller, go on to both tiptoes and then do it. But then it's really hard to make this side look curvy, so that's why I don't do both toes. But yeah, so got the basic little pose, and then you need to figure out what you're going to do with your actual arms. So I just use do normal little things, so play with my hair, have one side, one arm down here. You can do it like that, cross them over, do. So yeah, so you can literally just keep moving your arms and it'll all be good. Now the one, let me go this side, this is my side. So the one to make your bum look big, obviously you can see it's not big at all, it's just chubby, so yeah, it's got nothing to it at all, but yeah, anyways. So what you want to do is you want to have your feet both parallel like this. Yeah, so your feet need to be straight, so in line with each other and your shoulders. It doesn't have to be necessarily shoulders, but in line with each other basically. And you're going to go to the side and then you're going to pop. It's I don't know how to explain it, but you pop into this side. So as you can see, it's already making a little bit, but it doesn't really look quite right. So you kind of have to turn it. So like this, you can see all the belly and that. And then if you turn it, you can see a little bit of the other side of your bum, and then you can't see your belly. So that is the biggest trick ever to getting your bum to look big. And then if you can tense this side here, and then it makes your bum look even rounder and even bigger. So yeah, and then from the front you're going to be looking like this. So yeah, all these poses are a bit weird from every other angle apart from the angle that you're meant to be doing at, but it works for that angle, so that's all we need. It's fine, it's just a picture. So okay, so we've got the front pose, we've got the side pose. What else? Okay, so when you're sitting down, this what I look like. I have a little bit of waist to hip ratio because I've got big thighs and they spread out. So there's that. So obviously most people do have a little bit of a definition, but to make it even better, what you can do, obviously always wear high-waisted trousers because that's what gives you the illusion of your waist being thin. But then two, what you can do the little roll your arm back thing, push your legs together and then kind of just hold the top of your trousers, and that way one, you're kind of pulling everything up, but then two, you can squish your hands into your sides and it makes your waist look a little bit smaller. So that's that sitting down one. Okay, so the side one, what you need, don't just sit down like that, that's what I normally look like. But what you're going to do is you're going to really arch the back, and then if you put your arm here in front of your belly, it hides it all sticking out. So yeah, this is another one. And then if you want to elongate your leg, turn it round this way. And I know you can't see my foot, but my foot is long. I'll post a picture here of me doing the pose. But yeah, so as you can see, you can turn yourself round, come this way, come down, you know what I mean? So yeah, it gives the illusion of having a long, nice leg with curves. Okay, and then the very last pose that I have, that I can think of anyways, is the floor one, the amazing little mirror floor one. This one is a killer to do, but if you can get it right, it looks banging, so that's why I'm going to put it in. Okay, so it's the one when, like that, it literally makes your bum look so big, it's unbelievable. So all you want to do, literally, is obviously you're on your knees. You're going to be on this, on this back tiptoe, and then literally like you've just seen, you're just going to put your leg out, and it helps if you point it. I know you can't see my toes. Yeah, so if you just put it out like that, then it just looks like this. But then obviously if you arch the back and tense your bum cheek here, it goes, look, I don't know if you can see, but can you see the little tiny difference it makes? So yeah, so you like that, and then obviously you'll have your little phone, blah blah, and all done. But you guys, it hurts. Like, I'm in pain right now after just doing it for that little tiny bit long. So sometimes what I'll do is I'll just do it where I'm on, where my leg is down instead of being up, and then you can just do it like that. So yeah, that is it guys. Right, so that's the end of the video guys. I hope you learnt some new tips and tricks, and hopefully this makes you a little more confident when you're posing for pictures now, because it really has helped me confidence wise. Like, I haven't needed to go to the gym, I haven't needed to diet or do anything. All I have done is just learn my angles and learn how to pose, and that has put my confidence up so much. So I hope it does with you as well. And yeah, right, I'm going to love you and leave you. Remember, if you like this video, it would be amazing if you could give it a like, and obviously comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.